To start today's compilation, let's take a look at an interesting feature, polymer ramps. Don't be fooled by their lightweight composition, these ramps have the strength of steel. See for yourself their power. Standard ramps can easily support 12,000 pounds and the maximum version can support up to 16,000 pounds. Their versatility is astounding, even for vehicles with low ground clearance, allowing for comfortable 17-degree entry. It is convenient to store these hollow stackable ramps anywhere. Plus, they come with a patent and an affordable price tag starting at just $50 a pair. Have you ever had a minor accident with your car, rendering it useless for its original purpose? Don't worry, because even a damaged car can still bring you some profit. In fact, it can be transformed into something extraordinary, like a unique couch. It's fascinating how similar creations can be found in DIY garages and online stores. For around $3,000, you can purchase a Ford Mustang sofa. Moreover, there are beds, desks, pool tables, and even sinks made from cars available for sale. With just one car, you can furnish multiple rooms and become the envy of all your car-loving friends. Have you ever come across Storage Wars? It's a captivating show where people bid on garages and warehouses, hoping to sell the contents for maximum profit. With so much stuff inside, garage owners need an efficient storage system to keep track of their belongings. That's where the brilliant creators of these systems come in. Their innovative solutions are perfect for garages, warehouses, and industrial areas. You have three fantastic options: a slide system capable of holding 12 containers and 420 pounds, a mini lift with a sturdy platform that carries up to 700 pounds, and a robust fixed shelf supporting a whopping 1,000 pounds. All of these come with a limited lifetime warranty, assuring their quality. These systems are still awaiting patents, which explains their starting price of $479. Hurricanes pose a frequent and grave threat in the United States. In the autumn of 2022, Hurricane Ian wreaked havoc, leaving over 2 million people without electricity. Cuba, too, felt the impact as its power system collapsed. Amidst such adversity, Americans exhibit their resourcefulness not only by crafting impressive cars and homemade treasures in their garages but also by constructing shelters like the one showcased here. Let's hope we never have to seek refuge in it. This remarkable shelter features a robust galvanized steel frame expertly assembled by the skilled team at FlatSafe, renowned for their expertise in such projects. Additionally, this shelter could serve multiple purposes, even facilitating oil changes for your car. Introducing our revolutionary technology that revolutionizes your home, making it smarter, simpler, and safer. Our innovative storage systems are designed by the creators who understand your needs. With convenient smartphone control and compact design, they are perfect for any task. Whether it's bicycles or kayaks, we offer specialized systems for all your storage requirements. Our versatile models, like the 4x4-foot cargo platform, can hold up to 360 pounds. Connect up to 4 lifters via Bluetooth for seamless teamwork, while our smart app ensures overload prevention, keeping your system safe from ceiling collisions. Experience the future of storage today. If you're a fan of Top Gear, you'll surely recall the iconic moments, from playful jabs at Captain Slow to entertaining mini celebrity guests. However, one particular item that stands out is a truly extraordinary table. As the online buzz goes, it's crafted from a Jaguar V12 engine. While replicas are available for those with a spare $3,000, talented artisans worldwide are pushing the boundaries, creating their own captivating versions. Feast your eyes on these screen-worthy tables, fashioned from V6 and V8 engines, each boasting its own distinctive design. Notably, the striking red and black model fetched a hefty $5,500. Mechanics will be thrilled by the latest innovation, the Ultimate Mechanics Companion. Designed with buses and trucks in mind, this three-wheeled creeper takes versatility to new heights. With its adjustable ground clearance, even surpassing most cars, it's reminiscent of a sleek office chair. Complete with armrests boasting tool trays and a plush polyurethane headrest, this creeper ensures comfort during long hours. Its sturdy build remains stable during maneuvers, and the all-terrain universal wheels make navigating any surface a breeze. At an unbeatable price of just $375, this invaluable tool is every mechanic's dream. Are you tired of facing car troubles and having to lift your beloved vehicle for repairs without having a car lift? Well, fret not. All you need is a dash of creativity, a basic understanding of physics, and this ingenious trick that requires no extra accessories or complicated gadgets. With this technique, you can effortlessly lift both the front and back parts of your car. Of course, the helpful suggestions from viewers poured in. Firstly, the inventor should address potential floor scratches, and secondly, a safety system would be a great addition. So, don't despair if your DIY lift has its quirks. Introducing Gator MEGA Hooks, the ultimate tool organizer. With an incredible 50-pound capacity, these hooks are a game changer for housewives and professional builders alike. Featuring a powerful magnet, they easily attach to metal surfaces in one swift motion. Choose from two sizes, 3-inch and 4.5, and various shapes to suit your needs. Need more space? Our steel plate accessory has got you covered. With over $24,000 raised on Kickstarter, Gator MEGA Hooks are priced at just $21 per hook. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless organization. Introducing an all-encompassing lighting solution designed for a wide range of spaces, from garages and bars to clubs and gyms. This modular lighting system offers the easiest installation on the market, as claimed by the seller. The standard option features hexagons, but customization is available upon request, catering to various shapes. The smallest hexagon measures 38 inches by 33 inches and includes 6 LED tubes with an impressive lifespan of 60,000 hours. Choose from white, pink, or blue options, or opt for the newly released RGB variants in 2023, offering remote color control. With prices starting at $84 per piece, this lighting system offers affordability without compromising quality. Illuminate your space effortlessly with this versatile and durable solution. Introducing a revolutionary and efficient innovation for effortless car lifting, whether indoors or outdoors. This cutting-edge creation hails from Germany, boasting a remarkable capacity to elevate cars weighing up to a staggering 4,630 pounds to an impressive height of 3.3 feet. Gone are the days of intricate maintenance and tedious setup, as this marvel requires minimal preparations. Its rubber inserts delicately shield your precious vehicle from unsightly scratches. Embrace the freedom to lift your car independently. Ideal for motor shows and automotive dealerships, this patented lift can be yours for a mere $963. Introducing a revolutionary and efficient innovation for effortless car lifting, whether indoors or outdoors. This cutting-edge creation hails from Germany, boasting a remarkable capacity to elevate cars weighing up to a staggering 4,630 pounds to an impressive height of 3.3 feet. Gone are the days of intricate maintenance and tedious setup, as this marvel requires minimal preparations. Its rubber inserts delicately shield your precious vehicle from unsightly scratches. Embrace the freedom to lift your car independently. Ideal for motor shows and automotive dealerships, this patented lift can be yours for a mere $963. Elevate your car experience today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.